We're visiting TeamLab Planets in Tokyo, one of the most famous digital art museums in the world. We purchased our tickets online and chose the 11:30 a.m. time slot, meaning we had to enter within 30 minutes. We took the train to Toyosu station, and from there, it was just a short walk to the entrance. The location is super convenient. First, in the water area, we put our shoes, bags, and jackets into lockers. Right from the start, we waded through a shallow slope of water in near darkness. A weird but fun way to begin. After stepping onto different textures, we entered the infinite crystal universe. It is a space surrounded by mirrors and thousands of changing LED lights, making you feel like you're floating in another dimension. Next, we found ourselves in a mirror room filled with people. It felt like something out of Squid Game. But the real highlight of the water area, the interactive koi pond. Walking into warm water, it looked like an outdoor onsen, but with colorful koi fish projected onto the water's surface. As we touched them, they transformed into flowers and scattered, creating a magical, dreamlike moment. A quick stop in a space filled with floating spheres of light that changed colors. We entered a room where flowers floated and fell gently like a slow-motion move scene. Next, we entered the forest area, stopping briefly at the moss garden resonating microcosms. A serene spot where we could actually touch the glowing moss structures. This was for the catching and collecting forest, an interactive game where we searched for digital animals, hidden with a dedicated mobile app. The game felt like a mix of Pokemon Go and an educational wildlife experience. Using the app, we had to catch and release extinct animals, learning their names, the year they disappeared, and their unique characteristics. There are 85 species to find. I managed to catch 35 in about an hour. Some animals were repetitive. The final area was the garden, an ethereal space filled with orchids suspended in midair. It was fascinating to see the roots hanging freely and the scent of flowers mixed with the earthy aroma of soil. A simple yet beautiful way to end the journey. For 4,200 yen, $28 USD, spending less than 2 hours at TeamLab Planets was a unique experience. Most interactive, the catching and collecting forest game. Most creative and immersive, the koi pond in the water area. That's it for this vlog. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next adventure.